Hi everyone, today I'm showing you some of the items that you can get in your fall 2021 box if you're an annual member. Let's get started. First up, we have the Talking Tables Trivia box. It has 120 cards in it containing questions for food and drink. Definitely a great way to break the ice at a dinner party or just to get the party started. All right, so let's test this out. I am not good at trivia, but who knows, I am really good at food and drink, so maybe I'll have a shot here. Which state is the #1 dairy producer in the US? I'm gonna guess California because we are the biggest in everything. I'm right, California. What is the official nut of Alabama? I could not tell you this if my life depended on it, so let's find out. A pecan or pecan. Comment down below if you say it as pecan or pecan, because this is definitely a controversial topic here. To continue in the fall spirit, our next item is the Pūrlisse Pumpkin and Ginger Charcoal Face Mask. If you want to smell like fall, you just have to put this on for a quick 10 minutes. It exfoliates your skin. It leaves you feeling smooth, clean, fresh, feeling like a pumpkin spice queen. Also, ladies, don't forget about your neck and your chest. That is a part of skincare. We want all of this looking right and tight for the fall time. Also, I want to talk about just how pretty this packaging is. It's the prettiest orange I've ever seen. Definitely gets me super excited for fall. It definitely goes on super smooth. Smells so good. It's very subtle too. I'm not someone who likes a bunch of strong scents on my face, and this is very subtle yet very fall. Ugh, yes. I'm gonna put this on my hands too. I mean, hands are also part of skincare. Up next, we have the True Moringa Shea and Moringa Balm. This is so amazing for dry and chapped skin. Super great thing to like carry in your purse, in your gym bag, because I don't know about you, but in the fall, my skin gets very dry, so we're not trying to have that this fall. It goes on very lightweight. Your skin absorbs it super well, so it's not gonna leave you feeling filmy. It's not gonna leave your skin feeling heavy. It's just overall lightweight and amazing, and super hydrating as well. I can already feel the back of my hands aging backwards.
It's Benjamin Button up in here. We're going back in ages. Suddenly, I'm 16 again.
Definitely recommend if you are trying to combat dry skin. Next, we are throwing it back to the VOESH Pumpkin Spice Pedicure in a box. If you're anything like me, over the past year, you've been getting really good at doing your nails at home. And I love that it's pumpkin spice, okay? Let's accept that we love it. We love the smell of it. We want it to be on our body, in our hair, in our lattes. It's amazing, so no shame in our pumpkin spice game here, okay? It comes with a salt soak, a sugar scrub, a mud mask, and to top it all off, a massage butter. And this set comes with 2 sets, so you can leave your feet smelling pumpkin-y and delicious the whole fall season. Also, something that I recently learned is that pumpkin is not just for our pumpkin spice lattes and our pumpkin spice scones, but it is also amazing for our skin because it's a natural exfoliant. Who knew? I am done, but you are not. If you are not a FabFitFun member, go to FabFitFun.com right now. Literally, pause this video, go to the next tab, go to FabFitFun.com, sign up for FabFitFun today to receive the fall 2021 box. And don't forget to tag us on social once you receive your fall boxes. We cannot wait to see all of the products you guys chose. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next season.